Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching my YouTube channel Vikas Sardar, and today I gonna to unboxing and review AG754 Plus V-Guard company mixer grinder,
which has 750 watt powerful motor.
The V-Guard AG754 Plus mixer grinder is designed to perform a wide range of activities, including peeling, mixing, grinding, and mincing. This is the documentation which I have got from the box, and these two boxes comes with a juicer jar 1.7 liter and 3 durable and high grade stainless steel jars.
This company providing a good quality plastic and the steel, which quality give you a better protection and quality.
So protecting it from adverse conditions and ensuring longevity. Wet grinding jar 1.5 liter, dry grinding jar 1.2 liter, and the chutney jar half liter. So 750 watt high torque motor for precise grinding. AG754 Plus comes with a 750 watt motor, and its powerful torque makes grinding easier and faster. Further, the motor's class F insulation ingredients for a special dish, worry no more. V-Guard's AG754 Plus assured excellent performance even during low voltage condition and works well on the inverter supplied power. You can see on the box V-Guard branding logo. It has totally 4 jars, and you can see the MRP on the box 5500 per unit. This one chutney jar, half liter, then dry grinding jar 1.2 liter, .5 liter wet grinding jar, and 1.7 liter juicer jar. They provide a mug which has 500 ml capability, and this one is 1.7 liter juicer jar. They use actually a high quality ABS plastic which is non-breakable, and it has the long durability with good performance. So no worry about the quality. This is the switch for the simulating which speed you want. This is the electric power cable. There is the V-Guard branding logo. The jar of V-Guard AG755 Plus are made of durable and high-grade stainless steel. They are rust-proof and strong and facilitates effective grinding.
The below side you can see this is a place for the ventilation, air ventilation, and these rubber pads, it's making gripness on the floor easily.
This one is actually a reset switch. The unbreakable polycarbonate lid for the jar assures substantial strength along with the advantage of being transparent so that you can view the inside content. To protect the electric motor from overloading, an overload protector is incorporated into the main unit. In case of an overloading incident, you can press the reset button at the bottom of the motor unit to reset your AG754 plus mixer grinder.
All of friends, you can see I just fried some cumin seeds for to showing you how can be grinding of the grains. So as you can see, I'm loading the grains like onion, garlic, ginger. So you need to first press on it for the low vibrating. See, it is now grinding for a few seconds. Now it's full ready for the cooking. So here is the results. You can see all are mixed up. And the next thing I'm gonna show you the cumin seeds to make powders. See, right now it's turning. You can see clearly from the top side. Now it's done. Let's just have a check. It is actually warmed. All our cumin seeds now made powder. Let's talk about the rubber pads. See, this is very powerful for the gripping on the tables or the floor. For making some juice from the Mosambi, I have ready and cutted some pieces of Mosambi. So now I am going to show you how to make juice by the juicer jug. Make sure before arranged all these things, this filter completely attached in this jar. Then I kept some pieces in the filter, and as you can see now, after turning on, juice are coming outside, so we can see clearly. The same procedure I have applied for the making pomegranate juice. See how is it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.